Have you ever felt that feeling of butterflies in your stomach when you're around from someone special? It's like the world turns upside down, like you have a burst of energy that runs through you from head to toe. That is the magic of attraction, that magical moment where a simple encounter becomes in a deep connection. It is a sensation that we have all sought at some point, that spark that ignites passion and the illusion. But how do you achieve it? How do you make her feel that same emotion, that same magic that captivates you? It is an art, a mystery that has intrigued humanity since the beginning of time. And today I am going to reveal to you some secrets that will help you understand how to awaken that special feeling in your heart. Pay attention to every detail, because every word, every advice, every idea brings you closer. The possibility that she feels those butterflies for you. It is a fascinating journey that will take you to discover the power of authenticity, importance of respect, and the beauty of human connection. Don't miss a moment, because each step on this path will bring you closer to that dream. Imagine that you are in a cafeteria. She is sitting at a table near the window, reading a book. Her smile is warm, her gaze serene, and just by seeing her you feel a pang of emotion in your chest. The attraction is palpable, but there is not yet that spark, that connection that makes the butterflies are unleashed inside. How do you light that flame? Perhaps you have become accustomed to thinking that conquest is based on superficiality, on witty phrases, in a game of seduction that tries to control the situation. But the truth is that true attraction comes from authenticity, from the ability to connect with his soul, to show him your heart without pretensions. Remember that each woman is a unique universe. She, for example, may be looking for a man who makes her laugh, a man with whom she can have deep conversations about topics you are passionate about. Maybe she is looking for someone who will inspire her to achieve her dreams, a man with whom she can share their fears and their desires. Think of a close friend. Why do you admire him? What attracts you to him? What kinds of conversations make you feel connected? These same qualities, those same emotions that connect you with your friends, are the same that you should try to awaken in it. Imagine you are at a party. She is in a corner, talking to other people. You approach him with a smile and say something like, "Hello, my name is yours. I heard you have an impressive vinyl record collection. I also love music. Would you like me to share some of my favorites?" Those words are not just a phrase, they are a bridge to your world. It is a gesture that shows genuine interest, that lets her know that you are listening to her, that you care about getting to know her beyond the surface. It's not about pretending to be someone you're not. It's about being yourself, showing your most authentic side, letting her get to know you without masks or tricks. Sometimes, just a few sincere words, a gesture of attention, are enough for that connection. Special begins to bloom. It's like that song that makes you feel emotions you can't describe. It's like the contagious laughter of a child that fills you with joy. It's like a dawn that fills you with peace and hope. That is the power of attraction, that magic that transforms a simple encounter into an unforgettable experience. But remember, true connection comes not from pressure, but from the freedom to be yourself. Let her discover you little by little, that she falls in love with your heart, with your dreams, of your ability to love without conditions. Before we get into it, don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell. Close your eyes for a moment. Imagine the sound of a soft melody, an acoustic guitar that transports you to a quiet place. The soft afternoon light filters through the window, caressing your skin with a soft heat. You feel the aroma of freshly brewed coffee, an aroma that comforts you and invites you to dream. Now imagine that she is there, next to you. You feel his presence, the warmth of his gaze, the softness of his smile. What is it that makes you feel special? What makes you feel butterflies in your stomach? The answer is in connection, in the ability to touch your heart with words that inspire her, with gestures that move her, with actions that show her that you are a man capable of loving authentically. The first step is to understand that attraction is not based on manipulation, but on communication. It is not about controlling her emotions, but about awakening her senses, making her feel. Viva. Imagine you say something like, "Your laugh is contagious. I love the way you light up when you talk about the things you are passionate about. What makes you feel so alive?" Those words are an invitation to share, to delve deeper into your inner world. They are words that sound sincere, that come from the heart and that involve her in the conversation. Remember that attraction is built through empathy. Listen carefully to what he tells you, not only with your ears, but with your soul. Share your emotions, share your joys and your sorrows. Don't try to solve their problems, but give them your unconditional support, your shoulder to cry on. Your company in difficult times. Imagine that it is cold. Without thinking twice, you take off your jacket and put it on him. That small detail, that gesture of care, will make her feel protected, valued. It is like a ray of sunshine on a cloudy day, a drop of fresh water in the desert. Don't forget that attraction is fueled by trust. Being honest, sincere, and transparent will allow him to know that he can trust you, that your love. It's true. Imagine you say something like, "I like you just the way you are. You are a beautiful, intelligent woman with an inner strength that inspires me." Those words will make her feel accepted, loved, just the way she is. Remember that attraction is a process, a journey that is built step by step. Don't be discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Be patient, persevere, and trust that time will reward you with that connection that you long for. Imagine that you are at a party. She is on the other side of the room, chatting animatedly with her friends. You feel that attraction, that desire to get closer, to connect with her, but it paralyzes your uncertainty. To do. Instead of trying to get their attention with a witty comment or a flashy gesture, try something different. Observe what he is doing. What are you talking about? What are you passionate about? Experiment 1. The casual conversation. Approach him with a genuine smile and say something like, "Hello, my name is yours. I've been listening to your conversation. You seem to know a lot about the topic you are discussing. I am also very interested in that topic. Could you tell me a little more?" Instead of trying to impress her with your wit, show genuine interest in what that she is interested in. It is like opening a door to your world, an invitation to share, to connect with your passion. Experiment 2. The gesture of attention. Imagine that she is looking for something in her bag. Don't try to make a joke, don't get nervous. Simply offer your help, "Let me help you." Are you looking for something in particular? A gesture of attention, a simple action that will make her feel valued and protected. It's like a small act of service that shows that you care about her well-being. Experiment 3. The language of the body. When they talk, look into their eyes, smile, maintain an open and relaxed posture. Avoid crossing your arms or looking at the ground, as this conveys insecurity and disinterest. Body language plays a crucial role in communication. A genuine smile, a sincere look, an open posture will make her feel comfortable and confident at your side. Experiment 4. Genuine curiosity. Ask him questions, not only about his hobbies, but also about his dreams, his fears, their aspirations. Show that you are interested in getting to know her beyond the surface. It is not about interrogating her, but about showing genuine interest in her story, in her personality, for his soul. It's like a journey of exploration, where each question brings you closer to discovering a new horizon. These are just a few examples. Remember that success is not in the formula, but in authenticity. Whatever the situation, the important thing is to be yourself, express your most authentic side. Your ability to connect with her on an emotional level. The magic of attraction is found in sincerity, in respect, in the ability to open your heart and let her discover it. Leave in the comments what do you think. So far, we have explored the importance of authenticity, open communication, and empathy to awaken that feeling of butterflies in a woman's heart. But what if I told you that there is an even more powerful force that can ignite that spark? Imagine that you find yourself in a situation where the conversation flows naturally. The laughter ensues and it seems that the connection is being built. However, suddenly, a feeling of insecurity invades you. You start to think about all your flaws, your past mistakes, the things that they make you feel vulnerable. And if I tell you that that same vulnerability, that ability to show your imperfections, could it be the key to connecting with her on a deeper level? The idea of perfection in conquest is a myth. Sometimes, we pretend to be someone we are not, hiding our emotions, our fears and our insecurities, thinking that will attract her. But the truth is that women value authenticity.